Jai Srimanarayana. 153rd Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Vupendraya Namaha. O Srimanarayana, you are the one who is born as an younger brother of Indra, but having so many divine qualities, you are above Indra. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to your divine lotus-like feet. Om Vupendraya Namaha. Om Vupendraya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimanarayana, who is born as Vupendra, and while thinking about Srimanarayana, visualizing Srimanarayana within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Sitamma is asking Ramachandra Swami to take her along with him to the forest. Sitamma trying to convince Rama for that in so many ways. Sitamma says that, "Oh Rama, before my marriage, when I was with my mom, there comes one of the great sages, that is Tapasi. She always used to be in tapas, but when she visited in front of my mom, she says to me that in my Jatakam I have Aranyavasam. That means I have to stay in forest. So that is why, O Rama, Aranyavasam is going to be inevitable in my life. So please take me along with you. O Rama, you are my everything, and not only here, even in other worlds also, I wish to be with you all the time. O Rama, not only I am your wife, but I have full devotion towards you. O Rama, please show compassion on me. I am feeling so much down. With that kind of feeling, I am asking you, please take me. If you are not going to take me along with you, either I am going to drink poison, or I will jump into fire, or voluntarily I will drown in the water and commit suicide. Rama, when Sitamma says like this, Rama, he is now taking Sitamma very close to him, and Ramachandra Swami consoling Sitamma. Sitamma puts her head on divine Vakshasthalam Visala, the wide chest of Rama, and trying to take little bit of rest on that chest, and now again started saying that, "Oh Rama, if you do not take me along with you, Rama, Jamataram Prapya Striyam Purusha Vigraham." What my father is going to think about you, He will definitely think that How did I give my daughter to a person who came in the form of man, but originally he is not? Like that, he would think you in that way. He would think about you in that way. He thinks that, how did I give my daughter to a lady? Do not do this, Rama. If you are not taking me along with you, so far until now all the people are appreciating great qualities and the glow, the effulgence in you. But all of them will start saying that all those qualities are all the lies. Nothing exists in you. They will start saying, if you do not take me along with you. Oh Rama, please do not do that. And along with a little bit of anger, now Sitamma says that, Rama, you take care of your mothers. Why should I? You do serve them. I will serve you. And Bharata is king to you. He is not king to me. You do follow his words, but I don't follow his words. I will just follow you. I will just take care of you. I will just do seva to you. Tapova, Edivaranyam, Svargova, wherever you are, may you be in the tapas, may you be in Vanavasam, may you be in Svargam, wherever you are, I will be there right next to you. I will be there always with you. Oh Rama, may this, all the forests may be dreadful. May there will be so much of pain in staying in Aranyam. All that will give me so much happy only when I am with you. O Rama, yes tvaya sahasasvargo. If I am there with you, that is my heaven. Nirayo yastvaya vina. If you are not there with me, that is the narakam to me. Wherever we are, you have to be there with me. I have to be there with you. I cannot bear separation for not even a fraction of second from you. Like that, Sitamma again getting so much emotional along with little bit of anger. Now she hugs Rama tightly, Bhrusam, Alingya, Saswaram. She is now hugging Rama tightly and again loudly crying. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. From today onwards, 17th sloka. Vupendro Vamanaha Pramsuhu Amoghaha Suchihi Urjitaha Atindraha Sangrahaha Sargo Dhrutatma Niyamo Yamaha. Om Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Bhupendraya Namaha. Om Bhupendraya Namaha. Om Bhupendraya Namaha.